In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import data from Excel into Wrike. This process is incredibly useful if you're looking to seamlessly transition your project management data without needing to re-enter information manually. So let's dive right in and take you through each step with clarity and confidence. First, you'll want to open Wrike. Once you're in, locate the import option within the platform. It should be fairly accessible, typically found in the toolbar or under a menu tab, depending on your interface customization. This step might sound simple, but it's crucial as the gateway for bringing in your external data. Next up is choosing Import from Excel. Once you click this, you'll see a file upload window prompting you to select your Excel file. It's a good idea to double check your Excel file beforehand to ensure it's ready for import. Make sure that your data is tidy and organized, potentially saving you from headaches later on. You'll want your columns clearly labeled, as this will become important as you proceed. Now, onto the file upload itself, click on the upload button and navigate through your computer's file explorer to find your Excel document. Once you have located it, select it and click open to initiate the upload. Remember, this file should contain all the necessary information you want to work within Wrike. Again, organization is key here. Confirm you're uploading the latest version of your document to avoid any discrepancies. After uploading, the next step is where some finesse comes into play. Mapping your Excel columns to Wrike fields. This means aligning the data from your Excel file with the corresponding fields in Wrike so that all tasks, dates, priorities, and other details are correctly synchronized. Carefully go through each column, matching them to ensure accuracy. This can be a bit like solving a puzzle, but taking your time here ensures that all data lands exactly where it should once it's in Wrike. Finally, with everything in its place, you're ready to complete the process by clicking the Import button. This action confirms that you're satisfied with your mappings and ready for Wrike to bring your data on board. Double check one last time before taking this step, especially if you're managing a large set of data. And there you have it. Your Excel data is now effectively imported into Wrike. With these steps, you've successfully bridged your data from an Excel spreadsheet into a dynamic project management tool, ensuring that all your information is organized and ready for action. This import function is an invaluable tool for keeping your projects on track and effortlessly managing your tasks. Enjoy using Wrike with the power of your freshly imported data.